Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Store not opening. So first thing first, if it's not opening, make sure that you have also quit Microsoft out of here. If you see it running here, right click onto it and then select close. Now this might be a technical error. You may go ahead and solve it by clicking on the search box, type in system component. You will see it under system settings, launch it. As you do that, you will get landed onto a page like this. Here type in Microsoft Store, you will see it right here. Select three-dot icon and go for advanced option. Now in here, make sure this is set to power optimized, which is also recommended. And likewise, you will see repair button under reset. Go ahead and select repair. This might take a couple minutes depending upon your Wi-Fi. Once this is completed, if you would like to reset it, if the system component still is not working, it says you have to reset it. Go ahead, reset it. If it does not restart your device, you have to manually do it. And likewise, try launching your Microsoft Store again and it will work.